What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the shift boot in this 08 to 14 STI with a premium Alcantara shift boot here from Billetworkz. The installation itself is super straightforward. The only tool I would advise using is a trim tool here. You can get this plastic trim piece out without it, but if it does break, then you got to super glue it. So I would advise using the trim tool just to help get that out so it doesn't break. So the first step we need to do is remove the shift knob itself. So we'll just go ahead and unthread that. Then you're going to take your trim tool and you're just going to work your way around on the inside of the silver here. I always like to start in the back. Just kind of get in there, pry and pull at the same time, and just work your way around and it'll slowly pop out. And then once you have the trim popped out, you simply just pull it off. So now that we have the OEM shift boot and trim out, now we can start removing the OEM boot from this plastic trim piece here. It's really simple. You simply just take these corners here, you're just going to pry them off the whole way around. And then once the last one's off, it simply just separates like so. And then once it's separated, you're going to hold on to this little trim piece here because we are going to be reusing this on the premium Alcantara shift boot from Billetworkz. Now, whenever you do look at the shift boot and you look at it from the bottom here, you'll notice that there is a wider gap right here. I don't know if you can see that. That wide gap is going to go on this part of the trim piece. So what I like to do is I like to start on that end first. I kind of line it up and then I'll take this part and I'll fold it over and lock it in to the little tab that is on the trim. And then I'll do the same on this side, on the other side of that bigger tab, and I'll get that locked in. So then once I have those two in place, I'll actually turn the boot and I'll start working on the other end as well. So whenever you go to do this, I always just like to make sure and double check everything is lining up before I do start clamping. Last thing I want to do is put a tab that is on this side up here by accident and then everything's all twisted and I have to redo it. So just take your time, make sure your tabs are lined up, and once they are, you can just start clipping them in. Now, once all of those tabs are hooked onto the trim piece, all you have to simply do is reinstall it. This wider tab is going to go towards you, so just make sure you keep that in mind. I'm just going to go ahead and slide that down and over. I'm not going to wrap this around the lockout just yet. I'll do that after everything is all clipped into place. So I'll simply just press down all the way around, starting in the front, working my way to the back. And with this back one, it can be a little tricky. I kind of got to maneuver it, push it forward and back like so. And then once it's all clipped in, I'll go ahead and pull this down over the reverse lockout itself. And for that lip there, I just start on one end and wrap it around. And then I'll slide it down over where the boot sits. And there we have it. We're all installed. And then the last thing we need to do is just thread on the shift knob here. And your installation is complete. If you have any questions or comments about the product or the installation, leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to get back to you and help you out the best that we can. Also, be sure to check out billetworkz.com to see other vehicle fitments and color options that we have available for our premium Alcantara shift boots as well. Thanks. We'll see you next time.